The top 3 smartest people of all time. The last one might shock you. Number Sir Isaac Newton, an English mathematician, physicist, and astronomer. Newton is considered one of the most influential scientists in history. He formulated the laws of motion, developed the principles of calculus, and made significant contributions to the understanding of optics and gravitation. He was truly a legend of his time. Number 2, Albert Einstein. A German theoretical physicist, Einstein is famous for his theory of relativity, which transformed the understanding of space, time, and gravity. His famous equation EmC² revealed the equivalence of mass and energy, revolutionizing nuclear physics and leading to advancements like nuclear energy. He also made significant contributions to quantum mechanics and received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1920. Leonardo da Vinci, an Italian polymath and one of the most renowned figures of the Renaissance. Da Vinci excelled in various disciplines such as painting, sculpture, anatomy, engineering, mathematics, and architecture. His artistic masterpieces and innovative ideas have left a lasting impact on multiple fields.